Hello, so welcome po sa ating reading. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates for those of you na gustong magpa-personal reading sa page na lang po namin, Madam P. Pwede din po sa aking friend, Jing Tarot Reader. Search nyo lang siya sa Facebook. Anyway, let's start. What do we have here for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? By the way, Um, dito pala ako sa side na to, sa gilid mag-shuffle. Kasi baka may lumabas sa card na hindi gusto ni YouTube. Ayaw niya ng mga walang damit, and ito pong card na nagamit ko ngayon is may mga images na ganun. So pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Dito na lang ako sa side na to mag-shuffle at kukuha ng card. If ever merong ganun, tatakpan ko agad siya bago ko siya ilagay dito. Sana mag-comment kayo dyan sa baba, guys. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and share. This is Timeless Love Reading. Let's start. You do have the Page of Wands, the Death card at the bottom of the deck. Tapos ito yung main energy. Gusto ko yung energy mo. How you love yourself. How you are the empress. Nakikita natin. Nagfo-focus ka ngayon sa sarili mo. You are focusing sa mga bagay na kaya mong, magawa pa sa sarili mo na improvements, more on self And the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like hindi ka nagmamadali sa resulta, which is maganda. Kasi ganoon naman talaga hindi naman sa lahat ng oras, when you put on energy on something, yung resulta niyan, hindi agad-agad for some of you. For a lot of you actually. For example, nag-create ka or gumawa ka ng bagong diet, no? Nagbago ka ng schedule mo you are making things para maging mas better yung schedule mo at mas maging healthy ka, mas maging active ka and whatever. So nandun ka sa adjusting phase. No, hindi agad kinabukasan makikita mo na bumaba yung timbang ko, naging magaling na ako sa bagay na to, kung ano man yung tinitrain mo. Well, I do feel like with the Seven of Pentacles, nandun yung slowly but surely. No, kung makikita mo dito sa picture, mayroon ditong farmer na kumbaga katulad ng isang magsasaka. Maglalaan ng oras ng panahon ng pagod yung magsasaka sa kanya tinatanim. Pero yung bunga noon ay hindi agad-agad. It will take time, and of course magiging masarap ang bunga nito dahil sa pagtitiyaga at paglalaan ng oras at panahon at pagod nitong taong ito sa kanyang ginagawa. And which is ganun yung nakikita kong energy mo ngayon. Nagtatanim ka ng improvement sa sarili mo. Maybe even to your finances. And whatever learnings ang matutunan mo, nakikita natin na unti-unti ka nang nakaka-adapt. Unti-unti ka na natututo, unti-unti ka nang gumagaling, unti-unti mo nang na-appreciate yung ginagawa mo. And then of course, magbibigay yon na magandang resulta sa'yo. You have to manifest that. Deserve mo yung mga blessings, deserve mo makuha lahat ng resulta na gusto mong makuha. Maybe it's not yet happening in your life right now, pero soon, mangyayari yan. And you do over the Page of Wands, work on communication. The way I see this with the Page of Wands, medyo may kulang akong nakukuha sa'yo, which is yun yung pinaka-advice nitong reading na to. Communication. Maybe communication dun sa mga taong makakatulong sa'yo. Maybe communication doon sa mga younger people who can actually help you. For example, eto bigyan kita ng example, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are planning na magkaroon ng negosyo, or maybe you do already have a business. So, paano mo magagamit itong mga bagong improvement sa technology sa business mo? Example lang to, I'm not saying that you are a businessman or businesswoman, but of course, message nga ito So, yung younger generation, they can help you adapt dito sa mga changes na ito. For example, by using AI, by using chat GPT or whatever that can help you improve your business, yung tactics mo, yung techniques mo, maaari mai-adapt mo yung kaalaman ng mga new generations ngayon. And also communication by your clients, no? How can you improve yung communication mo with your clients right now? So ibig sabihin, maybe yung iba sa inyo, maybe you have to work on learning new languages, no? Or for example, yun nga, yung social media, 'di ba? Communication through your clients gamit ang social media. So paano mo 'yon mai-enhance pa? So yun yung nakukuha natin dito. And of course, it will take time. Ganun naman talaga 'yon. The more we age, the more we learn. And kailangan lagi tayong open for learning. Ako, um, well, nung kabataan ko, hindi talaga ako mahilig din mag-aral or what. I'm one of those bulakbol and I'm one of those black sheep of the family. Sabihin na natin ganun. But then, well, eto na nga. Ngayon, nare-realize ko nga habang umiedad, ganun pala talaga. Kung dati ayaw mo nung aral, ngayon talaga mapipilitan ka mag-aral, etc. And of course, magagamit mo naman lahat ng mga naaaral mo na yon. Okay? Like for example, ako talaga, YouTube, 'di ba? Nasanay na ako dito, upload ng video, etc. Hindi ko pa ina-accept yung mga reels na yan. Hindi ko pa ina-accept noon yung mga TikTok na yan. I'm not accepting those things. Like, bakit? YouTube na lang. Meron naman akong followers doon. Mas doon ako nasanay. But then, na-realize ko, no, you have to be open doon sa ibang ano. Kasi mas ma-open mo yung, kumbaga, mas maririnig yung mga messages mo ng mga ibang tao who are, of course, into Facebook, into TikTok or whatever, 'di ba? So that's the energy na nakukuha ko sa iyo. You have to be more open. And Six of Wands. You do have your judgment. Okay, wait lang. This is what I'm saying to you guys. Ayan, meron kasi mga images dito, mga walang saplot yung mga tao. So, para hindi tayo magalit sa YouTube. So, takpan natin yan. This is the Judgment. It is a major arcana. Also the Empress. And you do have here the Tower. Also the major arcana. Kasunod nitong Queen of Swords. So, the way I see this in the side of your person, yung person mo palaban siya eh. Palaban siya. The Six of Wands is a person who is trying to balance everything. And the Judgment. Ang problema sa person na to, tinatry niya maging balance pero at the same time, meron siya mga bagay na nire-risk in order na parang maging at peace or balance lang ang lahat. You know what I mean? Maybe mahirap pa siyang magets ngayon. But nakakuha tayo ng mga decision dito sa person na to na medyo, I feel like pinagsisisihan niya na kaya niya lang pinili yung mga choices na yun. It is because ito yung magbibigay ng balance or at peace sa lahat. Nakakuha tayo ng Libra energy dito sa part na ito. Anyway, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa? I really do love this crystal, by the way. If you are into crystal, and I feel like some of you ay mahilig din sa crystal, I advise you to buy one of this smoky quartz. Pag sobrang drain ka na or pagod, and it can also help other crystal na ma-cleanse if you already have other crystals. You do have here Four of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Emotions, you do have here the Four of Pentacles. Sinatry mong protektahan ang sarili mo. Kaya nga nandun ka nagfo-focus sa ideas mo, yung mga nasa isip mo ngayon. You're protecting your heart, you're protecting your peace, you're protecting your mind. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi ka nababastahing tao. Marami kang pinagdaanan para masabi nating itong mga pinagdaanan mo na ito, lessons na ito sa'yo, and then you already know what to do. Okay? Ikaw yung tipo ng tao na, alam mo, the way I talk to you right now, kasi nakukuha ko yung energy mo, you are very professional, you are someone na kahanga-hanga, you are someone na nasa mataas na maybe estado or status, or maybe a lot of people sees you as someone na karespe-respeto talaga, and you are very mature, yun yung energy mo. Whether the age or yung mga experiences mo sa buhay, or maybe yung mindset mo ba, it's very mature, yun nakukuha natin sa'yo. So yung energy mo with the Four of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords, the Four of Swords is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, emotions mo, I mean emotions ng person mo, King of Swords, this person, and the Five of Wands. Nakakita tayo ng galit dito. And the Four of Swords, wala siyang magawa. And I feel like nandun yung galit. And the King of Swords, might be this person is trying to ignore you. And gusto kong makuha bakit may galit. What's with the Four of Swords? Five of Wands. The Fool is here. I'm feeling like yung galit niya is more like sa sarili niya. Because, I don't know, it feels like a midlife crisis. It feels like a person na ang iniisip is yung mga pangyayari sa buhay niya. And then, hindi kanya sinisisi doon. I feel like yung galit is more like sa sarili niya. Kung bakit siya nagkakaganyan ngayon, kung bakit, I feel like yung mga choices niya sa buhay, nare-realize niya na nagkamali siya. Na-realize niya na, dapat pala ganito, ganyan. So, ngayon, there's this karmic energy sa person na to, na maybe na-realize niya, kaya siya kinakarma ngayon, or kaya niya nararanasan itong mga bagay na to. It is because karma niya yon. And alam niya. And guys, I feel like tinulungan mo yung tao, binigay mo or ginawa mo yung part mo to help this person, pero masyado lang talagang sarado yung utak niya with regards to changes or what, ganun. So, kasalanan niya yon. And I feel like yung galit, hindi talaga, yung galit is hindi ko nakikitang galit sa'yo or to anyone or anywho. More like galit niya or inis niya sa mga naging choices niya sa buhay. No particular person kung kanino pinatutungkulan tong galit na to, but rather dun sa mga sa sarili niya na rin, 'di ba? And but I don't want to say sarili niya kasi mataas ang ego niya. So parang hindi siya para i-blame yung sarili niya. Pero wala naman siyang ibang sisisihin kasi, 'di ba? Kasi yung mga choices niya sa buhay niya is dahil ginawa niya yun. Siya yung may gawa nun. So, in reality, kaya nagkakaganyan yung buhay niya, siya rin ang may kasalanan, di ba? So, in the near future, what do we have here in the near future for you, Earth sign? The Ten of Pentacles is here. The Temperance, okay. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. I'm feeling a lot of nervyos sa'yo. I'm feeling a lot of... there are times that you are being moody. Yung iba, there's no exact reason. Yung parang feeling mo lang naiiyak ka. Or maybe yung iba sa inyo maybe you are already nandun sa edad na how would I say this? Maybe menopausal or lagpas pa doon. Pero okay lang kahit hindi yung age mo. Maybe you are just, your hormones are playing with you. Yan, yung iba. Lalo na yung mga babae, of course. Na parang may times na nagiging moody ka, naiiyak ka na lang na walang dahilan. Yung iba, maybe you are going through postnatal ba yan? Bago tapos manganak. Or yung iba, yeah, your hormones are playing with you. Yung iba, it could be menopausal period or you're already lagpas na doon. Siyempre, medyo may edad ay medyo iba na ang feelings or way ng emotionally, di ba? Iba na sila. Okay, so whatever the case is, I can sense random, biglang pagbaba ng emotions mo. The sun is here. Yeah. Well, actually, with regards to that, wala tayong magagawa doon sa hormones na yan. Maybe you can you help yourself also play music, yung mga masasayang music to uplift your spirit and connect more into nature. Ayan, kasi of course pag more on na pagod na or stress or more on technology na nawawala ka na, hindi ka na nagiging grounded. Well, you need to be grounded. You are an earth sign. So kailangan mo talaga ng when you're an earth sign, your energy is coming from the earth. Your energy is coming from the nature. Okay? So kailangan mo talagang kumonek sa iyong sa nature, sa Mother Earth. As simple as, alam mo, you can talk to trees or plants. I know it's funny or or yung iba baka sabihin naman para akong loko-loko dyan sa pakakausapin ko yung halaman. But no, they are also living things. They feel your energy. You can talk to them. You will feel at peace after talking to them. You will be healed. So yung mag-heal din sa'yo is the power of nature. No, not only earth sign but any other signs actually. Ikaw nga lang mas more sa'yo because your energy is coming from the earth. Connect more on forest, nature, ganyan, ground. Minsan maglakad ka sa garden or sa lupa nang wala kang tsinelas or wala kang sapatos, so you can ground yourself. Ayan, dun yung mo. And for water sign, of course, I highly advise the water, the use of dagat. Yeah, that can help them heal. And for ear sign, I highly advise doing yoga or yung breathing exercise. Yeah, yung kasi mas more on ang utak din ang galaw ng galaw kapag ka ear sign. Anyway, I'm just giving you, but of course fire, hindi ko naman sinabing hawakan mo yung apoy or what. But smudging, yan, that can help with the use of fire, 'di ba? For example, lighting or yung paggamit ng kandila, ayan, to manifest stuff and things like that. Yan, aroma, yung ang tawag dito, yeah, nakalimutan ko anong tawag doon, yung kandila na may amoy ba, so that can calm you, that can help you heal, etc. So I'm just giving you thoughts on how to heal yourself. And anyway, ang dami ko sinabi. I don't know, I'm just feeling your energy right now na ikaw yung isip ng isip kasi din. You do over the 10 of Pentacles. This is good. This is money. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. This is the 7 of Pentacles. As you can see, ito parang tinatanim pa lang yung 'di ba? Yung puno, 'di ba? And or yung money. And then you do have the 10 of Pentacles. This is the bunga that you're going to feel. This is financial abundance. This is money. This is you're going to gain something in the future. This is money coming. You have to manifest this. You have here the Temperance. This is because of your patience. Magbubunga yung pagtsatsaga at patience na binigay mo with regards sa sarili mo, with regards sa finances mo, with regards sa talents, skills mo. magbubunga lahat yan. And you should claim this. This is money coming. And you do have here the Sun and the Three of Wands. Well, I can see this as clarity. Yung person na ito is, of course, nagkakaroon na nga siya ng lessons ngayon. Mag-gain siya ng clarity in the future. In the Three of Wands, time will come. This person is going to miss you. Actually, yung iba sa inyo, if there's a child na involved, I'm feeling like this person is going to look or, alam mo yan, will find ways kung paano makikipag-connect or communicate doon sa child na yan particularly. And I can see this person with the Hanged Man waiting for the right time para isakatuparan or gawin itong plano niya with the Two of Wands. There's this plan na may kinalaman sa family. Yan. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.